परफेक्ट फिट. इसके बटन चेंज करूँ हूँ, खराब हो रहे. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of We Builds. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to replace the power window switch. We just need some basic tools, a set of screwdrivers, and obviously the power window switch. Let me open this up for you. This thing cost me 1,500 rupees on Amazon. Right here. So this is the power window switch from the driver's side for Honda City 2009 to 2014 models. This is going to be our workstation, so the only thing missing here is the car. Let's back it up. So let me show you the problem. Get inside. Take a good look of this. Check this out. Wow, this time it worked. Yeah, now see, when I try to bring the window back up, it takes some like 2-3 attempts to get it back up. So this is the problem. That's why I need to replace this whole thing. Let's try one more time. It's like when nobody's watching, it does all that thing, and now when I'm shooting it, this thing just works absolutely fine. Yeah. But yeah, so this console right here has a problem, so this switch doesn't work every time. Let's try the other one. Yes, see, you see that window is not coming down when I'm trying to and I'm pressing this button. So at least I can show you this doesn't work. So now I need to replace this whole assembly.
Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe, and everything you do is pain. Love me.
I was trying to remove this earlier from the outside, but turns out it had these screws inside. Thank God I didn't force it. So now I have to remove these screws first, and then we can proceed with replacing it.
Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins.
Does it have any more screws? Let me check. Yes, so if you notice, there's another lock in here. So never force it. This is a bad habit that I have. I usually force things. So this time I'm being patient because I don't want to ruin my car. Oh, there's another screw in here. Right there. Okay. Now let's take it out. There. So hope I ordered the same one which we need for this. This is the side mirror control. This works fine, so you don't have to replace this, but if you need to do this, this is again a simple replacement. Now let's replace this one. let's replace this.
And I can't breathe when everything you do is bad.
The number of pins should be the same. Hope we didn't mess it up. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yep, all good.
Do is bad. Love me.
Look at this. So I believe it has all the numbers and everything, so I believe this is the original one and this is the duplicate one, but as long as it works properly. Perfect fit. इसके बटन चेंज करूँ हूँ, खराब हो रहा है। There you go, it's done. Okay, so we are done with the replacement. Looks like new, and this is the old one. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's put it back together. So this is how it looks like below all that super clean and good things. That's the hidden truth. So let's put this back on and make our car look beautiful from the inside again.
Your veins, and I can't breathe when everything you do is bad.
It's a good idea to test this before we put everything back on. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay. Wow. This one works. Great. So yeah, it works fine. So we can now move on to closing this.
Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe when everything you do is bad.
Okay, we are done. One final test before we put our car back in the garage. There you go. Take it out from the stand, yes.
Bluetooth mode
Ta-da!
connected.
Ta-da! Yes, it works. Good. So it works perfectly fine. Our side mirror is also broken. I know you must have noticed that. So we'll be replacing that in the next video. And let's try the back window. Okay, so it works as well. All good. So we can just park our car. So that's a wrap. We are done with this video. See you next time. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.